Another DVD unboxing is Max and Ruby Bunny Hop into Spring 3 DVD collection. Front, side, the back, and top, spine, and the bottom. Over so.
You never knew how much that muddy water meant to me, but I learned how to swim and I learned who I was. A lot about living and a little about love. A lot about living and a little about love. Buck 1015.
She played tambourine with a silver jingle, and she must have known the
Springtime for Max Ruby. It's this.
by the man she knew as cowboy was a late night benediction after y'all come back saloon. In a voice soft and trembling, she'd sing her song to Cal.
Easter with Max and Ruby.
Smoky halo circle round her raven hair,
It's this.
and all the fallen angels came all playing rounders. Stop the games that they'd been playing for the losers' evening prayer. Faded love.
Berry Bunny Adventures. It's this.